Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone has NFC and the passport contains an e-passport chip. This is the main requirement. Once done, enable NFC in your device settings and open a trusted passport reader app. Place the passport on a flat surface with the data page facing the phone and keep the phone unlocked so the app can access the reader immediately. Make sure the app's permissions for NFC and camera are granted. Then hold the phone steady as the app searches for the chip. Now you focus on the handshake and authentication steps that let you retrieve data. First, align the phone's NFC antenna over the passport chip area, usually center bottom of the data page. Then prompt the app to read the MRZ. This provides the key for basic access control. If the passport uses PACE, follow the app's guided input to complete stronger authentication. After a successful handshake, request the specific data groups like DG1 for personal data. Finish by verifying the displayed information, name, date of birth, and portrait against the physical passport to ensure a valid read. Once satisfied, export any secure logs or images the app allows, then close the session so ephemeral keys are cleared. Make sure to disable NFC to avoid accidental scans. If something goes wrong, retry with precise antenna alignment, re-enter the MRZ manually, update or reinstall the app, or try a different NFC-capable phone. These steps resolve most read failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.